I just discovered something very, very bad. Damn it! The bulbous horn thing fell off. God damn it! I'm gonna have to go back and find that fucking thing and super glue it on. Damn it! I know exactly where it is. Oh. All right. Backtrack. It should be around. This is where I stopped on that bench. Should be around here. Fucking pissed me off. So I stopped here. I don't see it anywhere. Dude, what are the chances it's gone? This reminds me of Lost Oakley's Bench Road edition with Kevin. That thing could be anywhere. I might have to do some serious backtracking. And if that thing bounced and rolled, because it is a ball, it's a ball shape, that fucking thing can be anywhere right now. Okay, I last used it here. Honk honk. There was a runner, and I was on this side. If that thing came off around here, that's okay, because it ain't gonna bounce anywhere, really. Do y'all see it? No, you don't. So I came about here, and I honked. Meet me. You guys, if I find this thing, that's a miracle. If it's stuck somewhere on my bike, I'm gonna be pissed off. Ladies and gentlemen, that would be my luck. Now, I'm not trying to be self-deprecating, but that is my luck. That thing would have bounced off and stuck somewhere on the bike, and I'll spend an hour looking for it, and it's right underneath me. Third and final pass. And I'll have to bring Bounce out, and I'll look for it while we walk. Wow. Nice get up there, kid. I also wonder if when it came off, I hit it with my knee or my foot and booted it into the bush. Or I suppose I could just go back to using a bell like a normal human being. How fucking boring is that? Okay, returning to the scene of the crime where I last used my honky honk ball. And we'll try and find it on foot. I reviewed the footage and we're coming up exactly where I used it last. This is what Kevin and I should have done when we lost his Oakleys on Bench Road. Review the footage. Okay, I'll check in a sec. It's nice out. Well, Bounce and I came out to the river to retrace my steps for the to find the honky ball. Alright, the other day I did an update on finding the bulb to my honky honk horn, but the noisemaker was missing inside of it. Anyways, I thought, well, shit, I'm gonna go walk the dog anyway, so might as well look for this noisemaker thing that came out of the bulb. And I mean, it is the size of a cigarette butt, and 4 days later, and I don't know how many hundreds of people have probably walked on it, so I don't know. What do you think the odds are of me finding this damn thing? The odds are pretty fucking good. That's right. There she is. The honky honk is back in business, motherfuckers.